go. You guys think, yep. Good job, Ethan. Good wrestling, good wrestling. Let's go. And you look for your tap. Yep, there you go. Good job. Face it, keep it in front, face up. Face it, yeah, face up. Move face up, keep face up. Get up there. Hey guys, if you're not in the match, just clear out of the center, please. Clear the hands, Get legs back. Look for the legs, you look for your leg attack. Slow, legs back. Keep wrestling, ball forward. Stay tough here, off your elbows. Hey, let's go.
No problem, come on.